Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to restart your Spectrum cable box, quick reboot and refresh tips for frozen box. To fix the frozen Spectrum cable box, you can perform a quick reboot by pulling the power cord or by sending a refresh signal using the Spectrum website or mobile app. A hard reset clears the box's temporary memory cache and forces it to download the latest channel guide data, which usually unfreezes the screen. The 60-second power cycle. Unplug the power cord directly from the back of the Spectrum receiver or from the wall outlet. Wait a full 60 seconds to allow the box's internal memory to completely clear. Then plug the power cord back in tightly and wait for about 2 to 5 minutes for the box to boot up. The clock on the front panel will display the correct time when it is ready. Next, send a digital refresh signal, best for error codes. Via the My Spectrum app, open the app and sign in, then tap the Services tab at the bottom. Now select TV, tap on Experiencing Issues next to the frozen box, and select Reset Equipment. Via the Spectrum website, go to the spectrum.net and log into your account. Now navigate to your services and select the TV tab. Locate the specific receiver that is frozen. Now click Experiencing Issues and then click Reset Equipment. Third, use the physical power button. Press and hold the power button down for 15 continuous seconds. Now release the button and the box will automatically start a reboot sequence. Check for loose cables. Hand tighten the coaxial cable entering the back of the box. Ensure the HDMI cable is securely pushed into both the box and your TV. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.